Hey guys, just want to show you Romy. I put her this food there in your hair, so she looks very cute. And also, she has her belly plate on. And the belly plate is all textured. There's a belly button. And she is a baby girl. All my reborn have their belly plate with the top part, and we will add also the back plate with the butt. So this is Romy, and with her new body, she's so more um, cuddly. Like her head is now she moves back and forth, and her arms when I have the whole body just does that, and now we do that. So she's very cute. This is her little feet. I love this feet because it's not like every other kid's feet. She is very soft. Her color and all her skin is textured. I love the way these tootsie are going like 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 this. The nails are concealed. Level hand too is concealed. Skin texture. She's very like not a creamy but a little like creamy but not as creamy as baby Lulu. She has the mark, the red mark over here. And now I'm gonna show you the kit that's gonna be very twin sister. So this is the George gift, twin to Grayson. I would say notice, and you can see that the mouth is almost the same. Her name is gonna be Haley. So this is the kiss. And the clip adds her sister Romy. And she's gonna be like 20 inches long. And Romy is 18 inches long. So the